Hey there, was Sasti right?
Yes, I am Andiva Navin. And not you.
Yeah, how is your day going?
Going well. I practice it as for my annual day program.
Oh, really? All the best. By the way, do you studying it?
I study in Panchayatune Primary School, Nilapadi.
Do you like your classroom?
Of course, we do. I do. We have a one-room classroom with lots of paintings.
Nice. Do you have smart class in your school?
Yes, we do. And also 2 TVs for teaching and learning.
Super. Do you have library in your school?
Yes, we have it. There is more than 800 books in your library.
How many students in your school?
Nearly 100 students, 5 teachers in our school.
Do you like your teacher?
Of course, our teachers are kind and hard work. Besides this, our BEO, Mr. Shivakumar sir, often visit our school to improve our skills.
Sounds good. Even I want to come to your school.
Sure. Next week, annual day function. Please join us.
Yes, I will. Thank you for inviting me. Bye.
Hope you come. Bye.
வெரி குட் வெரி குட். நாங்களே பேர் சொன்னதில்லைப்பா, சாரு பேரை சத்தியமாக சொன்னதில்லை இன்ன வரைக்கும். ஆனால் இந்த செக்டா சர்வே சாருன்னா பேர் சொல்லுது. வச்சு இருக்குது உனக்கு.